spotted me from a whole block away. By the time I noticed, I could see the whiskers on his face, his unwashed skin, his yellow teeth exposed. Don't talk to me, whatever it is, I already know you need money. Can you have a second of my time? Hell nah, brother, I already know what's on your mind. He stood next to me, silently reaching in his pockets. I could smell him, I could see the red balls in his sockets. He hands it to me, a newspaper clipping torn out. He hands it to me, said this is what it's about. He hands it to me and looks deep in my eyes. He hands it to me, said they've been feeding you lies, keeping you preoccupied with stories of dead presidents' lives. Don't you know your slavery's wild child, wild child? Smile child, your eyes can ride. They never taught you how your mouth can fight, how your heart can listen, how your ears can feel, how your blackness is reaction to everything real. He walked away with no warning of departure, never turned back, and I could never have called up. I wanted to ask him, how'd you lay bare my soul? I wanted to tell him, but he already knows.